What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Shar, and I am back with another video, y'all. So in today's video, we're gonna be doing a wig install, and it's by the brand Mayde. Y'all, this is some hair that I got like a few days ago, probably like a week or so ago, when I went to the hair store. I was supposed to be getting some braids, but I didn't get no braids. So yeah, today your girl is gonna install this wig. And yeah, I used this kind of hair before. I had a wig. Well, I do have a wig, the same brand, but just a different color. Today, this color is in a 1B, and it's by Mayde, and it's called Candy. Well, the name of this one is called Letitia, I believe. Yep, Letitia. I don't know if y'all can see. Let me take this out the plastic so y'all can see. Called Letitia. As y'all can see, this is her name, y'all, Letitia. And she's in a 1B, y'all, by Mayde. Like I said, y'all, this is my favorite brand. Like, if you watch my channel, you will know. Like, when it comes down to synthetic hair, Mayde is one of my favorite brands. Like, one of them. But, like, my top one so far. Like, because it got some good quality hair, and it lasts a long time. And you can continuously flat iron this hair. Yeah, but I'm about to take it out the pack for y'all so y'all can see how it look. And this is a 13x4 lace. And let me see. 5-inch deep hand tied lace part. So that's the part, the lace. It's a 5-inch deep, y'all, which is a plus because then you ain't gonna do too much plucking. Really, y'all, I'm not a fan of plucking. I ain't gonna say a fan because I just don't know how to do plucking for real. So I just sometimes pluck it just a little bit, or I put a little makeup on the part so I can make it look more realistic. Yeah, so that's what basically I do to my part. I put makeup on the lace, and yeah, keep it moving. Yeah, but it comes with baby hairs, and y'all, I don't wear baby hairs. Like, it's certain styles I wear baby hairs with, but not with my straight, you know, middle parts, my straight down middle parts. I don't wear baby hairs with those. But when I wear like ponytails and stuff like that, it depends on the ponytail. It depends on the style. I will do some baby hairs, but I'm not too much of a fan of so many baby hairs, y'all. Like, just a whole lot. Like, it's just, I just don't like it like that. That's just me, my preference. They look cute. Don't get me wrong. They look cute on certain people, but I just don't like them like that, y'all. But let me show y'all this. I gotta take this off. I hope I got all the stuff that I need right now in front of me because I don't feel like getting back up. Yeah, but this is the hair. As y'all can see, this is the hair. So soft, y'all. It's so soft. It's thick. It's like really thick. Like, for real. Look, this is the lace. So y'all can see the lace. This is how the lace look. Okay, I'm gonna just put it on my skin so y'all can see like how it will look. I don't know if y'all can see for real, but I hope y'all can. That's how it will look. So that's why I say you do have to tint it to your complexion. And these are the little baby hairs. Y'all can see the baby hairs on there. The little baby hairs, they already come curled and whatever. So y'all, overall, this is a really pretty good wig, y'all. It's so soft. Like I said, you can flat iron it up to 450 degrees. I believe 450 degrees. Let me look on this box to make sure, because I don't want to be just telling y'all anything. But I'm for sure you can, because that's how I flat iron my hair, on 450 degrees when I'm straightening it back out. Where is the box? The little panel thing. I don't see it. Like, where did it go? Was it even in one on here? No, this is just the box it came in, like the little thing. But normally, you know how I tell you if you can flat iron it or whatever. But I know you can. I know you can for sure, because that's I flat iron my hair. I straighten it back out, like literally straighten it back out. And I might not do no curling like that. Well, I really haven't tried to curl it. I just always make it back straight, you know. But the colors that it do come in is number 1, 1B, 2, RO, Amber, yeah, don't get me there. Carmen, Ice Gold, Rosewood, and Sandy Brown. If y'all can see, this is all the colors that it come in. If y'all need to take a screenshot for all my newcomers. Y'all welcome to the channel. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to become one of my boos. Did I just rhyme? Oh my god. I know I look a mess right now, but anyways, I'm gonna get cute or whatever. Yeah, I ain't put on no makeup or none of that to do this video because I'm not gonna put on no makeup. It's late. It's like 12 o'clock, y'all. And I'm a makeup girl. Y'all love my makeup. Cause y'all see my little dark spots just won't go nowhere. But I'm about to show y'all all the products I'll be using because I ain't gonna do too much talking once I start doing my hair because I'm about to watch a movie or, well, listen to a movie while I do my hair. So I'm gonna show y'all all the stuff that I'll be using. This is the little stick that I got right here. It's Ebin Wonder Lace Glue. If y'all can see, this is the Ebin glue. It's a little stick. You just turn it and the glue come up. You just put it on your edge, dab it on your edges. Very convenient for me. And I have this, I gotta get some scissors. I have this edge band. I mean, not edge band, y'all. This stocking cap. This is the color stocking cap I'm going with today. I got that. This is my edge band that I'm gonna be using. I got some edge wax because, you know, these braids. Oh, y'all. These braids. Oh, y'all. My hair was, when I tell y'all I cut my hair all the way off, I cut my hair all the way off. And it grew back so good. Just look at your girl. Hang time. I got hang time now. Y'all can't tell me nothing. Anyway. But I'm going to use some beeswax, y'all. I ain't got no, I normally use edge wax, but I ain't got none right now. So I'm using this beeswax to put my little edges up. And the Got2b glue to glue my wig down. I mean, my cap down. And yeah, that's all we're going to need for this video. I might do a little wax stick on the parting part, but I'm not too sure about that. Like I said, this is just going to be a basic install. It ain't going to be no edges. It ain't going to be none of that for real because I ain't got to do too much there. I just got to put a little foundation or a little powder on my lace just so it can blend in with my skin. And that's about it. Okay? Y'all, so yeah, we finna get straight into this video. So make sure y'all, like I said, if y'all new to the channel, subscribe. And yeah, let's get to it. Let's get to this. Let me go get these scissors. Yeah, I found the piece. I told y'all. It said curling iron right here. Y'all can see real little. Let me make sure it focus first. Focus. Focus, focus, focus. I'm trying to get it to focus, y'all. Let me move my hand. Okay, anyway, y'all, it won't focus. So, it's safe up to 400 degrees. Safe up to 400. But I do 450, like I told y'all. And it works. Okay, get that girl back straight when I say, like new money, like when you just bought the wig. So, y'all, let's get straight into this video. Let's go ahead and get into this video. Enough of the talking. Let's get into this video.
I touch that fine for you. I do that 3-4 times and can I testify for you? I told her like you, that bitch I do it all and I'm around, you scared to do. I'm not, as long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. My bitch scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. That white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Are they grow when you're not here? I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you door.
Main one hunting, how you frontin' on me and I'm the main one hunting? How you blaming on me and you the main one hunting? How you threatening to leave and I'm the main one hunting? Just tryna be your everything. Main one hunting, how you frontin' on me and I'm the main one hunting? How you blaming on me and you the main one hunting? How you threatening to leave and I'm the main one hunting?
Let me lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody who body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey. Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pink Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Huh. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live forward to, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
Ain't changed, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper, stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get open. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out Sushi Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some more. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rapping too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some picture boat. They look bro, hit this nigga, it's like getting low. I spent time on the roots on the Lambo and didn't even know how to move them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely keep it on play with years. Just follow behind in the years. I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner. Count the money on fast like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rulers, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rats, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Again, hit after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody. Lost and choppers and F's for everyone. Take the roof out the call it up for the sun. I'm broke to see it drop by 5,000 money. Got this bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in a gut. Nigga don't run for my collar, we second up wallow and collar and try get it mega buck. See them drip a little nigga, best watch your stuff. This top shelf, got 40 designer belts. OTF, still at the new BMW. Think I'm done, got clothes in my right and left. And you talk out the car, ain't no key in them. Just put us in they block and get out of there. Ain't gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat it like a tire, I keep a spell. On the stuff because I'm worried. Check the tracks, I'm counting more fake. Sky scrolling, screaming in a prison. 150 flying, bitch, you mellow. But the game to his empty, because I spit the flavor to the empty. I am not a killer, but don't tell me I'm spending rate 5,000 to a 50. Oh, you know, I fuck with slides and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of